Celebrate Thanksgiving with the best deals for your feast at Rayleigh's in Bel Air. Get a 12 to 20 plus pound Rayleigh's frozen grade A basted turkey for only 47 cents a pound, limit one. This is an exclusive offer for our Something Extra members, so be sure to clip your offer online or in the app to save big. And clip your offer to get fresh green beans for just 97 cents a pound, limit 6 pounds. Not a Something Extra member? Join for free at Rayleigh's.com or download the Rayleigh's app today.
My ride smells just right.
Nice.
Just right, just right, just right. I gotta try that Febreze car. Just right, just right, just right. La 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 la. 40 days of consistency. Oh no, Febreze car just right on your face. You know my car's my happy place. Keep a smile on my face. And it smells just right, just right, just right. Yeah, breathe happy Febreze. La 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 la.
Holiday preppers unite. A season full of merry starts now at JCPenney. With your fave home brands all in one place, it's easy to find your hosting groove. Like the tablescape that's worth the toast and the home that brings everyone together. Feed the chef with upgrades from Cooks, Cuisinart, and Martha Stewart. Cozy up the guest suites with Home Expressions, Linden Street, and Liz Claiborne. And matching family PJs make holiday cards a cinch. Check off your list early and sweeten the deals even more. Make your holidays count. JCPenney.
Boom, boom, boom. Nissan has a car for every driver who wants more. More action. More fun. More guts. More hazards. More adventure. More electric. At Nissan, more is all we do.
Want to learn a new language but don't know where to start? I felt the same way until I found Rosetta Stone. As the language learning experts for 30 years, Rosetta Stone knows what really works when it comes to learning a new language. It helps me feel confident enough to speak it in the real world. With their lifetime unlimited subscription, I have access to all 25 languages forever. I can take a break when life gets busy and not feel guilty about another monthly subscription I didn't use. But with their award-winning app and 10-minute lessons, I can always fit Rosetta Stone into my schedule, even on my busiest day. Plus, Rosetta Stone's true accent system tells me how well I'm speaking each word compared to native speakers. I've never gotten feedback like this from any other app. There's nothing greater than the sound of learning. And I have an amazing deal to share with you. Go to rosettastone.com/radio today and score 50% off now through November 22nd. That's rosettastone.com/radio. 50% off now through November 22nd.
A new grocery outlet in Gold River is opening on Thursday, November 16th. Grocery Outlet Bargain Market carries name brands you know and love, but their prices are 40 to 70% less than traditional grocery stores. Check out Penny incredible deals on fresh produce, meat, dairy, and wine. The savings are real. The feeling is pure bliss. They'll have you experiencing bargain bliss. Grocery Outlet Bargain Market coming soon at 2280 Sunrise Boulevard in Sun River Village Shopping Center. See you soon.
My journey with Dr. Rossi started when my girlfriends noticed that I wasn't smiling in my pictures because I was too ashamed of my teeth. That's when I knew I couldn't put off Invisalign any longer. Dr. Rossi's fun and caring staff and free teeth whitening for life have made all the difference in my smile.
Hi, this is Dr. Ronald Rossi. Mention hearing us on 106.5 and get a free take-home whitening for life. A take-home whitening system with custom trims. Find out more at rossiDDS.com. Call 916-782-7733.
Look around. You can buy cars like these on the auto trader. Like that car riding your tail. Or if you're tailgating right now, all those cars doubling as kitchens and living rooms are on auto trader too. Are you working out and listening to this ad at the same time? Well, multitasking pro. Cars like the ones in the gym parking lot are for sale on auto trader. New cars, used cars, electric cars, maybe even flying cars. Okay, no flying cars, but as soon as they get invented, they'll be on auto trader. Just you wait. Auto trader.
Always night pads are designed for a perfect night's sleep. So you can do your bear hugging a pillow thing, your free falling starfish thing, your burritoed in a blanket with the AC blasting thing. While always night pads with rapid dry do there, we've got your back with fast absorbency and up to 10 hours of protection thing. So while your period's doing its own thing, Always lets you do your sleep thing. Shop for Always in-store or online, wherever you get your pads.
Doja Cat shares her mental health tips.
My way of handling stress is
honestly, making a little pillow space on the ground and gaming. Also remembering that, you know, I'm in the present and trying not to think too hard about the future and trying not to dwell too hard on the past.
Hear from your favorite artists and find resources at imlistening.org.
Sacramento's #1 hit music station
Starbucks
is going
must
to
be
bring
right
free
here somewhere.
the app.
It's on this side somewhere.
I only talk to God when I need a favor, and I only pray when I ain't got a prayer. So who the hell am I? Who the hell am I to expect a savior? Oh, if I
Ridiculous. Not how you drive.
when I need a favor.
Oh, there's Starbucks right there.
Need
Perfect.
a favor. I know amazing grace, but I ain't been living downward. Swear I spent more Sundays drunk off my ass than I have in
That's
church.
open.
Hardcover King James, only been saving dust on the nightstand.
Are they?
And I don't know what to say.
I don't know. That's the question. Yeah, I think they are. That was ridiculous. I mean, really, you gonna